In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks different colors. This simple yet effective technique can help you organize your tasks more visually, making it easier to distinguish between them at a glance. Whether you're managing personal chores, work assignments, or planning an event, color coding your tasks can boost your productivity and make your to-do list more manageable. First things first, to begin this process, you'll need to navigate to a website called TaskSboard. This is a desktop app specifically designed for Google Tasks. It's a game changer for anyone looking to add more functionality and aesthetic appeal to their Google Tasks experience. So open your web browser and type in tasksboard.com in your address bar, or simply search for TaskSboard online. Upon arriving at the TaskSboard homepage, you'll notice a Sign In with Google button. That's your gateway to integrating your Google Tasks with TaskSboard. Click on that button to proceed. This step is crucial as it allows TaskSboard to sync with your Google Tasks, bringing all your to-dos into this new, more visually appealing interface. After clicking the Sign In with Google button, you'll find yourself at a familiar Google login page. Here you'll see a list of your Google accounts, or you'll be prompted to sign in if you aren't already. Click on your email to continue. This action grants TaskSboard access to your Google Tasks, so make sure you're selecting the account where all your tasks are stored. Now that you're logged in, it's time to explore TaskSboard a bit. On the main dashboard, look for the three-dot icon associated with the task list you want to customize. This icon usually appears when you hover over the task list or at the end of the task list row. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your tasks. Among these options, find and click on Set Color. You might notice that a little notification pops up, informing you that changing task colors is a feature reserved for upgraded accounts. This is a good moment to consider if upgrading is right for you. TaskSboard offers additional features with its premium plans, and if color coding your tasks is important to you, it might be worth the investment. Once you've made the decision to upgrade and have access to the color settings, it's time to get creative. Clicking on Set Color now brings up a color palette from which you can choose the new color for your task list. Think about the kind of color coding system that would best serve your needs. For instance, you might assign different colors to tasks based on priority: red for high priority tasks, yellow for medium, and green for low. Alternatively, colors can represent different types of tasks, such as blue for work tasks, pink for personal errands, and so on. After picking the perfect color, your task list will immediately reflect this change. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make Google Tasks different colors using TaskSboard. This simple customization can help you visually sort and prioritize your tasks, turning a monochrome to-do list into a vibrant, organized dashboard. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Regularly review and update the colors of your tasks as your priorities and categories evolve. Over time, you may find that certain colors work better for you, or that new types of tasks emerge. Feel free to adjust the colors as needed to keep your task management system as effective as possible. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now, go ahead and give your Google Tasks the color treatment. Not only will this make your tasks more visually appealing, but it will also enhance your productivity by allowing you to quickly identify and prioritize your work at a glance. Happy organizing,